All right, folks, I got a quick one for you today. This question came up a while back, and I'm going to go ahead and make a video about it. The question was, how do I use the move component command in NX in order to show an assembly in different states? This individual does not want to use constraints for this. They just want to use the move component. Now, those of you that are OG NX users, you probably remember that back in older versions of NX, there used to be a button in here that said apply to used. But if you expand the dialog now, there is no apply to used anymore. They completely got rid of it. And so now the question is, how do I make it so that I can only use move components in my arrangements? And I'm going to go and answer that question right now. So if you look at my constraint navigator, I don't have anything in here. It's completely gone, which is good. I just want to move things around and say that they are for that arrangement only. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit arrangements. And I'm going to go ahead and create two arrangements. For example, there's closed, and I'll create another one. This one is open, just like that. Okay. Let's go ahead and change open, for example. I'm not really going to do closed because it's already closed, but maybe I will. We'll see. So go ahead and double click on open, and it makes it the active arrangement. So there's a check mark on it, right? And so now what we're going to do is we're going to select the items that we want to go ahead and move. So I'm going to use my selection filter here. I'm going to hit component. So let's see. I'm going to select the plates. I'm going to select the screws, the shaft, and the arm. So all of these need to move as one. I'll go ahead now and hit move component. Now my little triad here is kind of off. I don't really want it all the way over there. So I'm going to turn on move handles only. That only moves the triad. It doesn't move the geometry yet. And then I'm going to go ahead and say that, I want to kind of put this in the center of this guy. So just going to make sure that snap point is turned on. There we go. Now I can turn off move handles only. And let's go ahead and move it, let's say 90 degrees, right? So there we go. That's pretty good right there. And hit OK. So I want to record this for the open arrangement. And so what you can do now is go over into the position more. And then there is a little section down here that says arrangement target for current work part. What? This is the equivalent of apply to this arrangement. So in this case, I'm going to say only apply it to the active arrangement, which of course is the open arrangement. And then you can double check. See, that radio button is on. So I can go back to arrangements now and simply double click on closed and see it closes again. So if I go back to open, there you go. So you can do this whether the item is fully constrained or not. It's totally up to you. But if you only want to use move component for arrangements, then this is it. This is what you would have to do. All right. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.